Hi, and welcome to this short video dedicated to Buncee. So what is Buncee? Buncee is an award-winning tool that has been used by teachers not only in America, but also around the world to inspire their students and have them be co-creators and use their imagination to contribute to class and to create projects through Buncee. Buncee is basically an online canvas to which you add anything from animation to images to even audio. And it's really cool because each slide that you create for your Buncee can be like a virtual scrapbooking, basically. When you go to www.buncee.com, you will have several options. The one in the blue box is to get started as an individual or as a business, whereas the orange box is for educators and students. I will only go through the blue box today, but as an educator, I encourage you to go to the orange box to learn more about how to use Buncee in the classroom and to decide which plan works best for you. Buncee is not free. It's free for an individual, but you have limited options and resources that you can use through your slides. Whereas as an educator, you can work through a payment plan with the Buncee customer service. So I would really recommend that you go there. So if you scroll down, you could see that you can use Buncee on your iOS devices and on your computer. And what is very interesting is like you can download your slides, you can print them, and you can also create, generate, and then scan a QR code that you can give to your students so they can use them on their smartphones. There are other tutorials here that I really recommend you look at because they are full of great information and great resources and inspiration on what you can do with your Buncee. Then it was interesting and reassuring to see all these awards that Buncee received, and especially the American Association of School Librarians, that it's kind of a guarantee that you're using a tool that is very respectful of your students' private data. And this is also emphasized in the privacy policy of Buncee. So, let's go back up. I'm going to show you quickly how you can use a Buncee. So I had already logged in. I had created an account as an individual. It took me 2 minutes to do so. So I encourage you to do that as well. So you can play with Buncee before deciding if it's a tool you would like to use. So you get started, you click on that, and then you're going to arrive on how to create your Buncee. So I'm going to click here. And I'm going to choose the background, and I'm going to choose education. And let's say I want my students to create a story. We read maybe Charlotte's Web together, and I want them to tell me what happened in their own words. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click on, I want to use some animation, and I want to click on imaginations. There are a lot of themes here that you can choose from. And I'm gonna add that one, and then I'm gonna put this here. Okay, so you see when your students will look at your Buncee slide, they can open it up and have animation there. And I can click on adding a new item here. I can add another animation. I can add a text if I would like. Let's say who, when, where, and why. And the students could be co-creator of this slide and choose an animation as well, or respond within here to edit. So this is a pretty cool tool to have your students use because they can customize it. They can use the media library that Buncee has for everybody to use, And if you have the account as a teacher, or if your school signs up for an account, you will have additional options such as recording voiceover. So if your students would be like telling you the story as it happened in their own words, they could do that as well. I hope this video inspired you to try Buncee out, and I wish you a very good day. Bye-bye.